Welcome to Tips and Tricks for July 2024. This month we will learn how to set up WinSCP with UnForm.Cloud. WinSCP is a Windows graphical tool that can be used to transfer files back and forth between a Windows system and an UnForm.Cloud system. WinSCP supports the public key authentication protocol that UnForm.Cloud uses for SSH-based connections. There are 4 configuration elements required: host name, port, login name, private key file. All these elements are available in the UnForm Cloud Management console. From the console, click the 3-bar menu and choose SSH Access. This window is presented. Click Show Access Point and 3 of the 4 elements are shown. For the 4th element, click PuTTY PPK file to download the private key file in the PPK format used by WinSCP, and the PuTTY terminal emulator as well. Store that file somewhere safe, such as in your Documents folder or a subfolder. To configure the WinSCP connection, now that you have the 4 configuration elements, you can configure a site in WinSCP. On the Tabs menu, click Sites, then Site Manager. That brings up a window to configure sites that WinSCP will connect to. Click New Site and begin editing fields in the session screen. Enter the host name, port number, and username, login name, fields from the Show Access Point information. Then click Advanced Authentication, where you can set the private key file to the PPK file you downloaded. Click OK to close the advanced window and log in to test the connection. This will open left, Windows, and right, UnForm.Cloud panels, and you can copy files back and forth with drag and drop, or open a file directly from the UnForm.Cloud machine by double-clicking it. To save these settings, use the Save Workspace option on the Tabs menu. To learn more about UnForm.Cloud, contact sales, email sales@synergetic-data.com, or phone 800-446-7374. If you have questions or suggestions for future UnForm tips and tricks, email dan.s@synergetic-data.com. For UnForm tips and tricks. Thank you for viewing. We look forward to seeing you next month.